Creative and fun learning. Invent a new smoothie recipe. Friday afternoons were always special for the class, as it was time for their creative and fun learning activity. Today was no exception as the room buzzed with excitement. The teacher, Mrs. Green, walked to the front of the classroom, her eyes sparkling with anticipation. With a broad smile, Mrs. Green held up a tray brimming with various fruits: strawberries, bananas, pineapples, and more. The children squealed in delight, their eyes widening as they took in the assortment of colors. Mrs. Green encouraged each child to take a fruit they liked and think about what other fruits would complement it. The children huddled together, deep in thought as they examined each fruit, discussing which ones tasted best with their chosen favorites. After much deliberation, each child made their way back to their desks with a handful of chosen fruits. Mrs. Green helped them prepare their blenders, and soon, the classroom was filled with the delicious aroma of fresh fruit. With a flourish, Mrs. Green pressed the start button on each blender. The children anxiously awaited the results as they listened to the whirring sound of their blenders. Finally, they tasted their creations for the first time. Their faces lit up with curiosity and wonder. Wonder! The class erupted in conversation as the children shared their opinions on the flavors of their smoothies. Some were surprised by how well certain fruits tasted together, while others were thrilled to discover new combinations they loved. After tasting and discussing, it was time for each child to share the name of their unique smoothie blend. And some named their concoctions after favorite animals or places, while others were more imaginative. Mrs. Green proudly wrote each child's unique smoothie blend and its name on the chalkboard. The class gasped as they marveled at the variety of combinations, each one more intriguing than the last. The class spent the rest of the afternoon sharing their unique smoothie blends with each other, trying new combinations, and discussing which ones were their favorites. There was laughter and applause as each child enjoyed their peers' creations. As the clock struck 3, Mrs. Green asked the class to promise to continue experimenting with their unique smoothie blends at home. With smiles on their faces, the children agreed and bid farewell to another successful, creative, and fun learning activity. The school bell rang, and the children dashed out of the classroom, eager to share their newfound knowledge with friends on the playground. As they laughed and played, they couldn't wait for next week's creative and fun learning activity. As the day came to an end, Mrs. Green gathered the children around her and shared a memorable story about her favorite smoothie blend from her childhood. With tears in their eyes, the children listened intently, captivated by Mrs. Green's tale of friendship and adventure.